Good morning, everyone. Day 4. Today's not going to be a big one again. We are going to the gym. It was meant to be shoulders today, but because I'm not going to go to the gym for the next couple of days, it's going to be chest. It's going to be chest and tries. Push day. Every day's a push day, isn't it? But yeah, this is Esperance. So 40 something degrees the other day, and today my kids were at the front playing in their jackets because it was too cold. So yeah, welcome to Esperance gym, and then we're going to pack, and I might try to do something again with the kids or see if Jenna wants to go do something. But yeah, just another chill day today. Anyway guys, finished with the gym. I promise all these videos will not just be me going to the gym and driving home, but I'm actually going to switch it up today. I went quite hard at the gym, but I finished early. Stop. Fuck yeah. And I'm just going to go for a walk. So, just pulled up at that coffee van, grab a coffee, and it looks like they've got like a classic car meet over here. Let's go have a look at some cars. How's a paint job? How's the paint job?
I don't know, I think that's it, Pophams.
Oh, yeah?
I think. Did one at Chris Edmonds did.
Oh, yeah. So we've got all those, and now we've got... Jeez. No, this is what I'm excited about, the 100. Let's go. It's all the Sunday drivers coming out to show off their cars. What do you reckon I park this pristine 1997 Commodore over with all the classic cars? Do you reckon it'll get a few look-ins? She is a classic. That was pretty cool. I was talking to one of the guys about that little blue Fiat, and he reckons it's one of the cars that was in like James Bond and stuff, so. The rest of the day might be pretty boring. All we're going to do is basically a bit of admin. Bit of house admin. I know. I'm looking for my tripod. I had a brand new tripod I've never used. I don't know where it is. Oh, here it is. Hey! We haven't exactly used this car for a while. The rear tyre gets really hot. I think the caliper's broken. It's booked in, but it's nearly impossible to get in to see anyone, so we'll get her up and going soon. Hey, and it might need to wash it too. It's got spider webs and everything on it. But yeah, bit of house admin, clean up the front, clean up the inside, and pack. It's going to be the rest of my day.